Should you use Restream or OBS for your live streams? Well, this varies based on what your use case is, but in today's video, I'll share a few reasons why I think Restream is the better option for most people. But first, I want to say thanks to Restream for sponsoring this video. And don't worry, despite their support of the channel, I am sharing my actual opinions in this video. And quick disclaimer, some of the features I will be mentioning require a paid Restream subscription. However, Restream does include a lot of powerful features at no cost, and you can use it totally free by clicking my link in the description down below. So first up, Restream allows you to stream up to 30 platforms at the same time, whereas OBS only lets you input one destination. You could stream to multiple channels within the same platform. So for instance, you could do 2 YouTube channels or a Facebook page and a Facebook group. Restream Studio, easily one of my favorite features. Actually, yes, it is my favorite feature. This allows you to go live directly from your browser. And yeah, I've covered this already in 2 videos. I think it's the main reason why most people should skip OBS and opt for this. OBS is intimidating. It is. And it's safe to say that Restream Studio is beyond simple to get up and running. And I'm talking about the average Joe. It's definitely intimidating, OBS, so don't tell me it's not. Speaking of, Restream Studio makes inviting guests to join your stream dead simple. With OBS, it can be a bit of a nightmare. Like, you have to capture your screen where you have a video call with your guest on a separate piece of software. And sometimes you have latency issues, audio problems, and even video lagging because your computer can't handle everything going on. Trust me, I've been there many times. With Restream, you send the link and that's it. It's all in the browser. Your guest won't be confused and you won't spend hours trying to get things working. You can also easily convert an audio-only podcast into a video podcast with no stress thanks to this feature. Like, you just give your co-host a link and that's it. It's like a no-brainer. And when it comes to branding your stream, they have multiple features to do just that. And you can learn more by watching my previous videos where I dive in deep and show you how all those things work. Another great feature is the Restream Scheduler, which allows you to push pre-recorded video live, enabling so many different possibilities. Like, think about it. It's honestly crazy. Also, Restream Chat aggregates messages from all platforms and you can overlay the chat on your stream. You can even display individual comments on stream using Restream Studio, which is perfect for like Q&As and stuff. And finally, arguably the most important feature for content creators is their recording feature. Get this, ready? Restream will keep your stream in original quality in the cloud for up to 30 days. So rather than streaming and recording at the same time in OBS, making your computer nearly blow up, seriously, I've been there before, you let Restream handle all of that. It does not get better than that. So yeah, that's why I think Restream is better than OBS. Now, of course, don't get me wrong. There are use cases where OBS is a solid choice. And yes, some of the features I listed are paid, whereas OBS is totally free. But for most people, the price is well worth the time you save and the features it enables. If you're interested in giving Restream a try totally free, click the link in the description. And with that said, thanks to Restream for sponsoring this video, and thanks to you for watching it. I'll see you guys in the next video.